Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a link on your Instagram story. So first of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go download it from Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just go log into your account and let's get straight to it. So first of all, open Instagram, and then all you need to do, just click on here and on your story, or go to your profile and click on the plus button on the top right corner. If you can see here, just go and click and add story. Here just choose the camera or upload a photo from your gallery. For me, an example, I'll just click on this picture. So what do I need to do if I want to add on my Instagram story? Just go and select this sticker icon here, and then you should look for the link here. As you can see, here is it. Just tap on this link, and all you need to do, just type the link or maybe paste the link that you want to add on your Instagram story. So let's say, for example, I will just add www.google.com. So just click on done, and here you are. Let's just add a story to my profile. Now, as you can see, if I go to the main screen, reload, I will be able to see my story here. If I click on it, wait, let's upload first. So just click on my story again, and let's click on this Google icon. Then just they will ask you if you want to visit a link. Just click on the visit link, and as you can see, they take me straight into Google. So that's how you add a link on your Instagram story. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.